Hey guys, so I really love watching unboxing videos, so I thought it's my first time getting stuff from Faithful to Nature, so let me show you what I got. And you might be asking why it's my first time shopping from Faithful to Nature. Well, I'm a bit of a wellness warehouse kind of gal. And it's literally down the road from me, so there's no need for me really to shop anywhere else. But I have seen there's some really cool stuff on Faithful to Nature that other health stores don't actually have, so I'm really excited. The packaging is amazing. I think this is really dope. I really like this. Everything is tightly packed in there. It's super compact. I really like that. I don't want to be out here with this big old box that nobody got time for. The first thing that I got is the konjac sponge. I usually don't eat dairy, but I was hosted at a hotel and they gave us a cheese board, and so I felt obliged to eat the dairy, and then all of this happened on my skin, and I'll probably not be eating anything dairy for the next few years. But this is the konjac sponge. It's supposed to be really good for problem oily skin. So you put it under hot water and then you do your normal cleansing with the sponge instead of using a washcloth or your hands, and it's infused with charcoal. What the hell is this? Oh my god. No idea what this is. Jesus. Oh my god. This is the jojoba oil that I got from Creed, yeah. Let me just smell it, because in the reviews people were complaining about the dropper being inefficient. I guess people prefer, one of those actual droppers, but let's give it a go. Okay, yeah, that is kind of annoying, but the oil comes out, so I guess that's fine. This is really good for your skin, and this whole box is really just me trying to save my skin from very interesting choice of packaging, no bubble wrap or anything like that, so I think that's pretty cool. Okay, this is also in similar packaging, so I'm really a fan of raw honey, and I also like the taste of raw honey, and it's much healthier for you. I've had glass straws and I've had bamboo straws. Glass straws obviously broke, which sucks. They were really good. They were my favorite. And then the bamboo straw, I think I left at a restaurant. I think I left it at Caprice, and it was just not it though. Like, I was holding on to it because I needed a straw, but I didn't really enjoy the bamboo straw. Anyway, so I picked up a stainless steel straw. Hopefully this will be the gal. And then I also picked up some matcha. I am obsessed with matcha. I got matcha I think 2 months ago from the Asian store in Sea Point, and it's really good. It gives you So I bought green matcha, which is from Khoisan tea. It's really good. It's got L-theanine in it, so it gives you that kick that you need in the morning, but it also, the L-theanine basically attacks your stress. Oh, what the hell is this? Stress receptors, and then it pretty much gives you a slow release of energy throughout the day. And yeah, this is super dope, highly recommend. Then I got fruit acid. So this is fruit acid concentrate from Gaia Organics Gold. It's got alpha hydroxy fruit acid. It's a 20% concentrate. So this is gonna, if you are obviously a person of color, every time you get any sort of pimple, it goes into hyperpigmentation mode and it leaves a scar. So this is just gonna do a bit of a chemical peel slash exfoliation. Yeah, and the reviews are amazing. Now this, some people said smelled funny. And I'm a big shea butter kind of person, so I don't know if it's because people never tried shea butter before or what, but smells exactly the same as normal unrefined shea butter. I think if you're used to more like mainstream kind of chemical laden products with fragrance and stuff, you might find the smell a bit weird, but it's, yeah, this is how every other unrefined shea butter brand smells, and I like this texture. This seems, this is really nice. And then I got some leafy green superfood mix. This is like, yeah, this is one of my favorites. I've been taking this for years, but I stopped for a while, but I can definitely feel the difference. It basically is an energy booster, and you can put it in your smoothies or just mix it up with juice, and you just feel, yeah, you feel healthy, you feel better, you feel more energetic. So really, it's something that I was very skeptical about, but I was like, let me try it, let me give it a go. So this is from Butternut. It is a raw macadamia milk base. So I've just tried their macadamia milk that's already pre-made. And so this is the base, and then you put water in it and you blend it for 30 seconds until it's mixed, and it's supposedly supposed to give you macadamia milk. Yet to be tested and tried, but I like the concept. And I mean, this little sachet is 15 Rand compared to I think 40 Rand for the already made milk, so that's pretty cool. Organic marula oil. This is amazing for skin. Haven't used this in a while because obviously I haven't had dairy in ages, and my skin hasn't been so bad to the point to where I need to get this. But obviously, since having that crazy dairy situation and needing to do like damage control, I got this as well. You can read all the reviews online. Marula oil is hands down probably the best thing to come out of South Africa. That's it. Check out Faithful to Nature. I'll leave the details below in the description box, and you can go and shop. If you sign up for their email newsletter, you get 100 Rand off every shop of 400 Rand or more. So if you're gonna spend 400 Rand, you'll pay 300 Rand, and so on and so forth. I will keep you posted.